Headband on just to give myself a little bit of colour. How are you guys? So guys, in this part of the video, before we get into the actual video, I am working with a brand called Koi Eyes, which do coloured contact lenses. So guys, they also do prescription and non-prescription contact lenses. I will leave everything down below in the description, including discount codes and my affiliate link if you'd like to check them out. 3 different colours. So they've gave me this one, and this is in the colour Rare Iris. So this one is like a greeny grey. Don't know if you can actually see in there. It's like a greeny grey colour. That might be a shout. So this is an icy grey, so you can't actually see the colour on there, but it's icy grey. Vicar blue. So these are like an icy blue shade. They look like my eye colour, but a little bit more vibrant. I think I'm going to go for, what one was this? Rare Iris. So I'm going to pop these in and we'll be right back. Do I see green eyes? That's so freaky. So that is Rare Iris. Time putting in contacts, apart from like Halloween ones. My eyes are just a little bit, I quite like them. I don't know if I could like put contacts in every single day. So let's get into today's video. So getting into today's video, guys, we are doing a one brand tutorial, and I can't wait to show you guys, and I'm hoping that they turn out okay, because I've heard so many high hopes about this brand. So let's just jump straight into it. Full face from Boots, and I've picked 17. So the brand is called 17. I've been seeing so much, and the reason I wanted to do a full face is because of this palette. So the first products we're going to use are brows. So this is the Full Definition brow pencil in dark brown. It's got a spoolie on one end and the pencil on the other. I'm just going to brush through the brows as I normally would. Got a little nib, which I'm really loving. I think I picked the right shade, guys. I'm liking this brow pencil so far. It's giving me a really nice fine brow hair. That's giving me a really nice brow. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this brow pencil, guys, and it was only a few pounds. I will put all prices up on screen on how much everything is. I do like that, really like that. Precise Definition tinted brow gel in dark brown. I'm just gonna run this through my brows. I don't normally use a tinted brow gel. Don't think this is necessarily going to stick my brows down. It's doing a really good job of defining them. This is their Second Skin Enhancing Concealer. I've got mine in the shade 001N. So I'm just going to carve out my brows and prep the lids with this, just as I normally would with my P. Louise base or a concealer. And the doe foot's really easy to use. It's got like that flat doe foot applicator. I'm just going to use my flat brush just to disperse that and spread it out. Concealer, it's done its job. It's cancelled out any redness on my eyes, and I don't really use a lot of concealer these days, apart from doing my eyelids and my brows with it and stuff, but that's turned out really nice. I'm going to set it in place with a Perfecting Finish translucent powder. Oh, satisfying. Love using this big fluffy brush from Spectrum, so it's their AO8 brush. And I'll dip it into the powder and just set those lids and the brow. I mean, it's just a translucent powder. We'll see how it sets the rest of the face shortly. What made me get like this brand in the first place was this little eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, it's gorgeous. It's just what it is on the tin. It's their 040 Greens palette. It's a cute little travel size palette. I love these like colours and tones in autumn. They're my favourite colours to use. So just put on some eyeshadow shields just because I want that kind of nice cat eye effect. We'll go in with a fluffy brush first. This one is a Spectrum again, and it's their B07. I think I'm going to just go into this cool mint colour here. So this one here. The pigment is there, guys. The pigment is there already, and it's their lightest shadow in the palette. Gorgeous. Let's bring you guys closer so that you can actually see what I'm doing on the eyes. And then I'm gonna like top it up with this really dark sage green here. Brush I'm using is the Buff and Blend X Emma Fleming number 4 brush. And oh, look at that pigment. And this palette is like pennies. Back into the first shade with that big fluffy brush and just blending on top. I think I'm then going to cut the crease using the same, obviously the same concealer as before. So don't know whether to use this like goldy shimmer, or the dark. Those, look at those, guys. So I think I'm going to use the darker blue, just bang that here, that darker green. Then I'm going to go in with that really, oh yes, yes. Oh my god, why did I sleep on this palette, guys? This is as good as some of the high-end eyeshadow palettes that I've got in my collection. This is bloody stunning. Wow, I love my greens, as you guys know. That is absolutely blown me away. Don't walk to Boots, run. You need to run to Boots. Oh my god, just wow. Wow, that will be going in my everyday. I took their eye flick pen in black. This has got the gorgeous nib, like really precise. So I'm just going to take off these for the ultimate reveal. We are going to go on to skin next and then come back to the eyes. To start with, we're going to prime. So to not to prime is a crime. So we're going to be using their Matte Base Perfection Oil Control Primer. So it's like a white silicone. Doesn't have any smell to it. Oh yeah, it's definitely a oil control. I mean, I'm a dry skin girly, but this was the only primer that I could see. But I can instantly feel that sinking into my pores. And it's not tacky. So is the foundation gonna actually stick to this? That's the question. Now for the skin, they had this one that caught my eye. So this is their Second Skin Enhancing Foundation. So this is mine in the shade 001Y. So we'll give it a shake. I'm gonna just do this side first. I don't know, is that too much? Is that not enough? I'm going to use my brush first. I'm just going to use my Revolution Makeup Foundation brush and just buff that into my skin. So firstly, it's giving me coverage. The colour looks okay. I think it might be just a tad bit yellow, but we'll bronze it. You get a lot more coverage obviously with the brush. Really looks nice, and as it says on the tin, it's like a second skin. So like my skin without any foundation on, you can see a few like breakouts and redness. This does cover it. Yeah, I think we'll put some on the other side now. It seems to be setting on my skin really, really nice. blend in over, because I do this every day when I do my normal makeup. I'll go in with the sponge after the brush. But I'm really liking the coverage it's given me for a skin tint. Is it a skin tint? No, it's an actual foundation, but I'd say it's got like a medium coverage. The only thing that didn't have on my stand in my local Boots, they didn't have a like bronzer or anything. I've only got a powder bronzer, but they didn't have like a liquid bronze, so that's the only thing that we don't have. So I'm gonna go back in with their concealer. It's covering up the bags really well. Go in with the sponge. All the normal places you put your concealer, and that's instantly brightened up the face. Oh guys, do not walk to Boots for this light brand, run. Back in with the translucent powder. The under eyes, I use the same kind of brush just to pat under the under eyes. Oh my god, look how seamless. Wow. I mean, where are my bags? They've gone. So before I set the rest of my face, I'm going to be going in with their Colour Glow Cream Blush. I'm going to pop this on the back of my hand, I think, and go in with my finger. Wow, she be popping. Is that pink or is that red? Okay, so I'm just going to tap that off on the back of my hand with my fingers, warm it up, and then pop that onto the cheeks. I mean, I will blend it. Gorgeous, gorgeous blush. Taking the back of my sponge now, I'm just gonna proper go for it. Oh guys, I love this. That is a gorgeous blush. She stains, okay? She stains. Right, so I'm gonna set the rest of my face using the translucent powder. I'm just gonna take a big brush. This is my big brush from Beauty Bay, and it's their Powder Me Up brush. We're then going to go in with this. So this is their Ultimate Look finishing powder, but I got it in 070 as a bronzer. Oh, that's a perfect colour for me, guys. That's like an everyday bronzer shade. I don't be very precise down my nose anymore. I just kind of bronze it up. Then we'll do the double chin, get rid of that. And then as always, I normally just go back in with my sponge and just like tidy that up. So I think I did a wrong thing. I picked up this, so it's a melting cream blush. I thought this was a normal blush, so my bad, but I'm just going to pop it on with a brush. And that's over powder as well. It's not taking any of my powder off, like disturbing any of the other makeup. That just looks beautiful. Oh, I am literally obsessed with this look so far, guys. What do you guys think? What are your thoughts on this really cheap, affordable makeup? Because can you tell I've been using cheap, affordable makeup? Or I'm so happy that I did this video, because you just find some really good finds. Right, so the next thing I'm going to go in with is this product, and it's their Light Reflecting Liquid Highlighter. So I'm going to pop a bit of this on the back of my hand, and then again I'm going to warm it up on my back of my hand with my finger. Look at that glow, guys. That is stunning. I bet you could like make this intense as you like, or as natural. That is a stunning, stunning glow. A little bit down the nose as always, because I do like that frosted look. And then we'll go in with the sponge and just blend. 17 is going to be my favourite little drugstore brand. And then I'm going to go in with their highlighter. So this is the Lights On Highlighter Powder, and I've got mine in the shade Champagne. I'm going to use a fan brush from Beauty Bay, and it's the Glow Getter fan brush. Oh my god, see that? Wow. I'm always impressed when these little brands bring out like stunning products. Back under the under eye, taking a little smudge brush, I'm gonna go into that green. Then I'm going to go into the dark green. That just brings it all together. And then I'm going to go, I think, into this like dark brown shade. I'm going to take this little flat brush, guys, go in with a champagne highlighter, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner. What do you guys think? Not putting any lashes on because they didn't have any lashes on their like stand or anything. But I am going to go in with a high rise mascara in black. I'm loving this packaging. It's so basic, but it looks gorgeous. Wow. Like, you're seeing this, right, guys? Oh my god. That even enhances like my lower lashes. That is just crazy. Look how gorgeous my eyes look right now, guys. I'm gonna bring you guys closer in. And my eyes are this colour. It keeps like, I don't know if I like the contacts. They're freaking me out a little bit because I've never had my eyes this colour. So let's set that all in place. So the only setting spray that they had was this one. It's their Dewy Prep setting spray. Dewy setting spray. Good fine mister. I love the mist on that, and it's just gave my face a lease of life. Let's just take off the foundation lips. So the first thing we're going to go into is this lip liner. It's a Lip Define Pencil Soft Liner, and I have mine in the shade Dusty Peach. We're going in with a bullet lipstick next. So this is their Cream Lip Bullet Lipstick. This is an autumn lip. And then the last thing to use is the Lip Boost Shine Gloss. Oh, it smells minty. So this is the look, guys. What do you guys think of the look that I've created using all 17 makeup from Boots? I am obsessed, guys. Do not walk, run to Boots and get this makeup because it is giving. It is giving everything. So if you've liked today's video, guys, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, because quite a few of you are watching my videos and you're not subscribed. And don't forget, I am doing a massive giveaway once we hit that 2,000 subscribers, so make sure you're in to win. And also hit that notification bell, guys, so you're updated every single time that I upload a video, which is twice a week here on my channel. And I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. Lucky, lucky.